Okay, so this is my first design project, and it is an alarm clock. This is my board number. So when you want to turn the alarm clock on, right now it's battery powered, but it should be at nighttime when you want to turn it on. So, okay, so now it's on. And then you put this on your windowsill, and when the light hits this, it'll recognize it, and then it'll turn the alarm on. So a tone goes off, and then the LEDs go off. And then for the alarm clock, you can snooze it, so you just put your hand over the sonar. And the snooze is approximately 10 seconds before it starts ringing again. And you can snooze it 3 times, like a regular alarm clock. So this is the last time. And that's the alarm clock. Thanks.